Hello, thanks for watching the video. So we have this 2000 Honda Accord, not my car, relative's car, and we're going to remove the rear seat today, or try to. Alright, here's where the rear seat is at. So first thing that we'll do is remove the paisley towels that she has on the seat. And there's our seat belt, as you see. Okay, so it's pretty easy, really. Bug. Let's get a look at the front of it. Alright, so yeah, there's a little indentation right here. I'm on the passenger side now. Looks like there's one right here as well. Let's go back over there. So yeah, back over here, and feeling underneath the seat, little indentation right here. I'm gonna just pull up there pretty hard. Matter of fact, I got my other hand on the top of the hood up here. Oh, well, I didn't expect that to happen. Alright, so yeah, I didn't expect the whole seat to come up. What I expected was just this side to come up, and then what we would do is walk around and do the same thing on the other side, the passenger side. But yeah, we got it all up in one pull here. Here's where we're going to be pushing into this insert here, and then we have one over there as well for the passenger side right there. Okay, so there's a metal hook here that will go around here, and it'll just kind of, I don't feel exactly where it's going. I think it just kind of tucks itself underneath the head, the backrest there. But yeah, that's it, and that's what it looks like here. Alright, so we just take the belts and we will put them through the slots here to get them back up here on the top of the seat. So let's go ahead and just put it back in place, I guess. I'll do this from the passenger side. Just kind of laying it in place here for now, and taking the seat belts, putting them through those cutouts. Pushing it back. You can get this up. Okay. All right, now we have that insert in the front, the two inserts in the front. All right, see the metal piece, it goes into the hole to line it up. Okay, I'm going to take my hand and push on it. Okay, it's in place. That's the passenger side. Let's do the same on the driver's side. Alright, seat is back in place, and let's make sure that it's nice and secure, and it really is. I'm not going to pull too hard here, but yeah, that's all there is to it on this 2000 Honda Accord. A little easier than I thought. Hope it's been helpful. Thank you for watching the video. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.